next drawing command, that is rectangle. Okay, the shortcut key for the rectangle is REC. Okay, REC, enter. Then the rectangle command will get activated. Here specify first corner. Okay, first corner. We have some other options as well here: chamfer, elevation, now fillet, thickness, width. Those options I will tell them later once we do fillet and chamfer, then we can do. But as of now, let us start with the very basic. Specify first left corner. Okay, first corner. Okay, see, you can directly left click, and again it is asking other corner point or area dimension rotation. So I will specify other corner point. This is the other corner. But this rectangle is not useful for us. Why is it so? Because we haven't specified any dimension. I have just left click here, another left click onto this corner. That's it. So see, this is a rectangle. This is the first corner which I have to mention. So how I mentioned? By left click. Okay, see, I gave rectangle, enter, REC, enter. It will ask first corner, then I will left click directly left click. No need to press any enter or nothing like that. Just left click, because that will be the first point from where the rectangle will start getting drawn. Now let us say I want to draw a rectangle of 40 length and 30 breadth. Now I can give, because I have mentioned this point, so from this point, see, from this point I want a rectangle of 40 cross 30. So this is nothing but your x direction dimension, this is nothing but your y direction dimension. So I can give @x comma y, or @40 comma 30, and then enter, obviously. Let us do this thing in the AutoCAD. Go to rectangle, REC, enter. First corner randomly choose, okay, by left clicking. Other corner, you can type @40 comma 30, just using the concept of relative. See, it is a rectangle of length 40 and breadth 30. Yes. Now we have some more options inside the rectangle. See, first corner and then other corner it is asking, but I will go to area here. So you can see in the area, A color is blue in color. That means you can type A and enter for going into the area. Now it is asking enter the rectangle in current units, area of rectangle actually. Okay, area of rectangle. Let us say the area of rectangle is 1200. Area of rectangle is 1200. 30 into 40 is 1200, right? So 1200. Okay. Now, on what basis you want to see? Obviously, to draw the rectangle, area is length into breadth, area of rectangle. If area is 1200 you have mentioned, and if the length is 40, then breadth you can directly calculate, which is nothing but 30. Or if area is 1200 and breadth is 30, then directly length I can calculate, which is nothing but 40. So this is how we will be mentioning. So let's go to AutoCAD. See here, we have length, we have width. So suppose I want to give length. So go to length, and length is 40, right? See, the rectangle is drawn. It's very simple. Specify first corner. Let me specify this as my first corner by left clicking. Then area is done. Now I want to give dimensions. Dimensions means, what are the dimensions of rectangle? It is nothing but length and breadth. Yes. So the length of the rectangle is 40. Okay, 40, enter. The breadth of the rectangle is 30. So it's 30, enter. You can see still the rectangle is not made. It is not yet finished. Remember one thing, once you go inside the dimension command, okay, after specifying first corner, then if you go into this dimension command, you have to specify length and breadth, and also you have to specify on which direction you want to draw it. Okay, so you can keep either of the direction. I want this direction, so just left click here. So this is how the rectangle is drawn. It's very simple. Rectangle, specify first corner, left clicking. Okay, now we have the third option, rotation. So left click here. Now rotation is nothing but your angle with respect to the horizontal. Okay, yes. So let me give 30 degree. So see, now the rectangle will be drawn at an angle 30 degree with respect to horizontal. And remember one thing, in the units, in the first lesson, in the first chapter, I have told you that in the units, I mentioned the angle to be calculated in the anti-clockwise direction. So the 30 degree which I have given, it is nothing but in the anti-clockwise direction, right? It is in the anti-clockwise direction. Yes. So the other corner, you can give directly or you can select dimensions as well. Okay, like at the rate, let me give 80 comma 50. So see here, you might be wondering, if I give at the rate 80 comma 50, then see the difference. If I give 80 comma 50 at the rate, because this was my reference point, this was my first corner. Okay, this was the first corner which I chose. This was the first corner, and the other corner is this one. So from here, it is taking 80 and 50. Means I would say that from this point to this point, the horizontal distance is 80, because I had given 80 as my, let me go F2. Yes, F2. See, F2 means to see what I had given. What was the input which I had given? See here, it is at the rate 80 comma 50. After giving 30 degree angle at the rate 80 comma 50 means from this point, okay, from this particular endpoint, from here, the horizontal distance is 80 up to this, and the vertical distance is 50. I hope this is very much clear. So when you are trying to make a rotated rectangle, okay, when you are trying to make a rotated rectangle of 30 degree or anything 30 degree anti-clockwise direction from the horizontal, then you cannot use that thing at the rate 80 comma 50 or at the rate x comma y. Okay, yes, let me erase this. Let me go to rectangle again. So this is the first point. Now see, by default the rectangle is drawn at an angle 30 degree with respect to horizontal. See, I just clicked left here, so the rectangle is drawn. Actually, let me draw a horizontal line. So this is the horizontal line. Okay, this angle is 30 degree. Let me show you via parametric. I will explain this parametric separately, this and this. See, this angle is 30 degree. I had given, right? Yes. So let me change the angle. Let me take this as my first corner point. Other corner point, let me change the rotation angle. Let me give it as 45 degree. So 45 degree. Okay. And this is the other corner point. So see, from here to here, this angle is 45 degree. Okay, see, this is the horizontal, or you can say this is the east wala line. From this east line, it is at 45 degree in the anti-clockwise direction. Yes. Suppose I want to draw a rectangle 80 cross 40. Length is 80, breadth is 40, but the angle is 30 degree. How to draw? Let us go to the AutoCAD. Let me erase this. Go to rectangle, first corner point. What is the angle? 30 degree. So go to rotation and press 30 degree. Enter. Okay. Go to dimensions. The length is 80. Enter. And the width is 40. Enter. Now it will ask at which direction you want to put. I want to put in this direction. Left click again. So you will get this rectangle of rotation angle of 30 degree and the length and breadth is 80 and 40 respectively. So this is all about rectangle. Okay, now you might be wondering what is the difference between, what is the difference between the rectangle which was drawn through line command, right? Through line command, let me draw. Okay, I have put the ortho on. So it is 80. In this direction 40. Enter. In this direction I want 80 again. So 80, enter. And in this direction I want, or either you can close it. Just press on close. So it will be closed. Okay, let me draw another rectangle using rectangle command. Okay, this is the first corner by clicking left. Now I don't want this rotation. So go to rotation and put the angle to 0. So it is 0. Okay, now go to dimensions. Length of the rectangle is 80 and width is 40. Now you have to mention which direction, this direction. So left click. So this is the rectangle drawn with the help of rectangle command. And this is the rectangle. Let me erase this. This is the rectangle drawn with the line command. You can see the rectangle which was drawn through line command, all the lines are indifferent. Means if you select this line, this line and this line and this line. The other three lines will not get selected. But in rectangle, the case is different. Actually, this all the lines are joined. They are connected. Yes, they are connected. See, they are connected. But here they are not connected. They are different entities, or you can say they are different objects. Yes. So how to join them? We have another command called join. Enter. Select all the objects which are already connected together. Okay. Select all the objects which you want to join. So I select it and press enter. Now see what it has written. 4 objects converted to one polyline. So actually this is a polyline. This is known as polyline. Now all the lines are connected together. Yes, all the lines are connected together. So that is one more option. That is one more command, join, which I just told you. I hope this is very much clear. See, even you can join anything. See, let me draw some lines here, ortho of, so that I can draw lines with different angles. How to activate ortho or deactivate? By clicking on F8. So see, this is a line and they are different. They are not single object. They are different objects. They are connected. See, they are connected together. Obviously, they are connected together. But they are not single object because I can select separately. Yes, by just left click, you can select. See here. Now, I want to join them. Go to the join command. J is the shortcut key for join. You can select all the entities. It will take lots of time to select. So directly left click and select all the entities all together using cross window. Cross window means once the green window crosses the entity or object, it will get selected. Again, click left. See, all are selected here. Total 18 are selected. See, total 18 are selected. Enter. See, now it is a single line. So that's called polyline. Okay, see, 18 objects. Look at here. 18 objects converted to one polyline. So total there were 18 lines, I think. 18 or 15. Maybe some of the lines are selected 2 times. That's why 18 is showing. Okay. So all the lines which was there are converted into single line. What is the use of this? We have use. We'll explain. I hope this is very much clear. We have some other options as well inside the rectangle, that is chamfer, elevation. That thing I will tell you once I explain this all things, thickness, width, elevation, chamfer, fillet. Once let us do those tools, then we will explain. Again, I will come to the rectangle. I hope this is very much clear.